Today you guys are going to learn how to create really epic drums for your own track. Now let's begin. Our tempo for today is going to be once again 150 BPM. It's kind of the huge bass standard. You can deviate from that quite a lot, but 150 is a nice middle ground. We are going to start with the kick, and once again the drums are from my latest sample pack called Cataclysm EDM drum sample pack, and it's full of really cool drums. It's a multi-genre pack, so you'll find a little bit of everything in there. Huge bass kicks are usually short and kind of plain, so that it leaves room for the other elements. They kind of draw inspiration from trap and hip hop. For this one, I'm going to create this sort of drum loop where we have the main hits and then some supporting hits. Let's decrease the velocity for these supporting hits just slightly. Next up, the snares. Like with dubstep, this is half tempo, so the snares go to every third measure of the groove. Let's pick out full snare for this one. Fuge bass, trap snares, hip hop snares, short or maybe longer snares. You can kind of be playful with the snares. We are going to use this more standard snare for this one, but we are going to spice it up with some percussive elements. Let's pick out a clap, maybe something like this. I'm going to shorten it up just a little bit. That's really nice. And we could also take out the lows from the clap. That's cool. Hi-hats. I'm going to pick a really short hi-hat. Once again, similar to trap. We are going to fill every second step. If you want, you can do a little bit of modulation on the velocity, maybe on the fine pitch. We can pitch down the main hi-hats, maybe. Again, play with the length of the sample. You can adjust the out or trim. This is really nice. I'm going to also take a little bit away from the low end of the hi-hat. Next, we are going to add some variety to the groove with glitch perks. We have these glitch perks, some rim shots, cobbles. These could also work as a snare, but maybe something crazy like this one. Really nice. Let's pick out Hey Tom, try out something. Then I'm going to finish this up with a crash cymbal. You can maybe add some rides. Let's try this. To emphasize the hi-hat groove. Post-processing for this one is quite similar to our dubstep one. We are going to add some G-clip. I'm going to boost up the snare quite a lot. Maybe we could also take down the kick just very slightly. Our kick is at -6 dBs and our snare is around -5. Then I'm going to just add Pro L to our full drum groove. That's it, guys. This is a really epic drum loop. I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. Now are at least able to make some basic future-based drum loops. If you like the samples, check out the links in the description for the Cataclysm EDM drum sample pack, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.